Imagine a person who feels almost no empathy. They can lie easily, manipulate people without guilt, and remain calm in situations where most people feel fear. If someone had a mind like that, would they know it? Would a psychopath know they're a psychopath? Psychopathy is often misunderstood. It doesn't simply mean cruelty. Psychologically, it describes a pattern. Very low empathy, shallow emotional depth, little guilt, and a strong tendency to manipulate others. But the real mystery is internal. How would a mind like that experience itself? Most people recognize problems in themselves through emotion. Guilt tells you when you've crossed a line. Empathy tells you when someone else is hurting. Fear warns you about danger. These emotions act like signals. They help people regulate their behavior. But in psychopathy, many of these signals are weaker, which creates a strange blind spot. If the alarm system is missing, nothing inside the mind says something is wrong. From the inside, the experience may feel completely normal. Other people may seem overly emotional, too sensitive, too irrational. In fact, some psychopaths describe themselves as simply being more logical than others. But research has revealed something even more interesting. Many psychopaths can actually recognize other people's emotions. They can see fear. They can see sadness. They can often predict how someone will react, but the emotional response that normally follows doesn't happen. Psychologists sometimes describe this as a gap between two forms of empathy: cognitive empathy, understanding what someone feels, and emotional empathy, actually feeling concern for them. Psychopaths may understand emotions, but they do not experience the emotional pull that most people feel, which explains why manipulation can come so easily. So would a psychopath know they're a psychopath? Sometimes. Some eventually notice they are different, usually through repeated conflict with others or through psychological evaluation. But even then, the realization can remain intellectual. They may know the label, they may understand the diagnosis, but they may never fully feel why others consider it a disorder. Because the very emotions that would make the difference obvious are the ones their mind lacks. And this reveals something unsettling about the human mind. It can analyze many things about itself, but it struggles to detect what it has never experienced. If an important human emotion were missing from your mind, would you even know? If you find the psychology of the human mind fascinating, subscribe to the Mind Paths and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think? Would someone truly know if their mind worked this way?